Welcome back to the channel. Off for another ride today. We're off to Greenham Common. A lot of history there with nuclear missiles and the peace protests. Should be an interesting day. But first of all, the Enfield needs some fuel. So before we ride over to Greenham, we need to stop off for breakfast, obviously, because that's the done thing. So what I know from what I've read about Greenham Common, it has now been fully decommissioned and is now public parkland. The old control tower there has been turned into a visitor centre and a cafe, I believe. So I say it'd be an interesting place to visit. And as I was talking to you, I missed my turning. Brilliant. So we're meeting up today somewhere a bit different. Three Trees Cafe in Chiseldon. I did a video where I cycled there with Sandy from Wiltshire Man channel and Colin and the crew. So go and have a look at that. It was quite a good day actually, good fun. It looks like the sun's starting to come out, so it should warm up a little bit. Should be nice. Talk of the devil, there's Wiltshire Man. We might be able to meet up if we get a move on. Right, let's go. Can't hang around here all day. There we are then, Three Trees Farm Shop and Cafe. Wouldn't be a ride out without a breakfast in us. Right, we're all saddled up, ready to go. And here we go then. Next stop, Greenham Common. It's nice to be back on the Classic 350. Really is my favourite bike. So much more character than the CF Moto. The leaves are starting to drop now as we start heading into winter. Don't quite know where this year's actually gone, to be honest. It seems to have flown by. I think they do as you start getting older. say start getting older, I am old. This little 350 Classic is absolutely brilliant. It's so willing. It wants to perform. It wants to keep up with the big boys. It reminds me of old classic minis, which I used to ride. Low powered, fun. Really good. Let's see the control tower. That looks a fantastic building. Look at that. Some lovely knitted wall art there. Time to get ourselves a drink, I think. Maybe a bite to eat.
That bike that you let pull out, that was one of those made in electric. Yeah.
That was amazing, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I got the diet cake.
With 2 seats.
Got the diet cake today.
I was looking at those portions, thinking I get 3 times as much as that.
The healthy option.
Video.
So we're going up the control tower now.
Leave that downstairs. We got told about it. Yes, yes.
Afternoon, gents.
Good afternoon.
Where you come from?
Swindon.
Swindon.
We're the ones I phoned up in the week to say we've got people with Royal Enfield.
So the air tattoo was here then once upon a time,
Yeah,
before Fairford?
This, gents, is our exhibition. We've got different exhibitions here. We're going in an interim period getting another one ready. So we put up 3 exhibitions, bits of 3 exhibitions that we did in our first 3 years. That's going back to 2018. So we had one for the air tattoo, which was held here. A lot of people around Newbury remember that. We go to the back garden, we've got the red arrows for free. We had one for we called it both sides of the fence because these women were a big issue here, and some people were happy, some people were not. And then we did one for Newbury in World War II and things that happened in Newbury. Not many people in fact know that this was World War II airfield until they come here and find out. But things did happen in Newbury. We donated 2 Spitfires, were fundraised here. Unfortunately, they both crashed. There was a bombing of the local school and church. If you know Newbury, probably, I don't know the Kennet, along the Kennet, there's a whole load of pillboxes, Dragon's Teeth and all the rest of it. So we were on the stop line. Bloody Germans. And that line went right the way to Reading, and then there were defences up to the east, and also down into Devon, I think. And it was run by a chap called General Ironside, so if you can find a better name for a general, then I'd like to hear it. So that's it. So, as I say, this was a Second World War base. It was turned over to the Americans as soon as it had been built from Bomber Command, handed over to the Americans along with, well, you know the area, sort of Welford, and the sign on the motorway that you don't go down, disappear, and never come out. Then you've got Newbury and Ramsbury, and Aldermaston was also. So there were these 5 airfields through Berkshire for the Second War. First plane for D-Day took off from here, plane called That's All Brother. And on D-Day, Eisenhower came up here. You would have seen the pictures on the wall.
Yeah, I saw those.
Something like 80 Dakotas took off at 10-second intervals.
Wow.
For D-Day. And they came back and then towed gliders, which were made down the far end of the common there. A local furniture company. Sideboards wasn't much of a market for them, so they were assembling the wooden Horsa gliders. But this tower was built in the 1950s for the Cold War. I know that period because we had B-47s based here. I lived a mile from the end of the runway, and therefore we had the 2-mile runway. This was a control tower. That was jolly noisy.
Yeah, I bet.
Remember D-Day here?
Is it that bad, Dickie?
Last year we had a big thing here. We had about 1,000 people. And on the 12th of December we commemorate the accident.
Let's go up to the observation deck.
Everywhere was concrete. There were panels down here where the B-47s would have been parked. That's the taxiway there. You can see the big bus. And dug up and we went there. So there was a lot of broken concrete rubble, and some of that went on moving by parts.
Yeah.
That was Greenham Common. Very interesting stop. I think we're going to go and see where the silos were.
Have to walk
Oh, okay.
then and walk round because they're the bunkers over there.
Yeah, you're sitting better around there, can you?
Yeah, you can see them.
Yeah.
But before you'd be able to drive round them.
Oh, okay.
Drive round.
Yeah.
Now, all this like that.
All right.
Not that big, are they? When you get close to them, they are, aren't they?
Yeah.
Like most things, you don't look very big until you get up close to them.
Yeah.
I suppose this is about as close as you'll get to them, isn't it? When they look
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
I don't know if that'll come out actually, but
Yeah.
I think that's a no. Well, thanks for watching. I think we'll wrap it up there. Take care. Catch you on the next one.